What's up, YouTube fam? It's your girl, Queen TC. Yes, coming back with another slay all day and out. Let's do that again. What's up, YouTube fam? It's your girl, Queen TC. Yes, back with another slay. And today is going to be just what you saw. You're going to hear everything that happens in my video. And it's a get ready with me. So I hope you guys enjoy this. This is very different for me. And of course, for anybody who watches YouTube on a regular. So if you have not subscribed all the way to this point, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And if you absolutely love me and enjoy already this look, what I've created, and the little sounds that you're hearing even right now, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Okay, so first we're gonna start with the eyebrows, and I'm using NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil. And I actually decided today that I'm gonna use my pomade too, because I haven't used that in so long.
Bro, you gonna let mommy do a video or not?
Yeah.
I really have not used this pomade in so long. I just really like the pencil nowadays, actually.
The pencil and the pomade do the same thing?
Somewhat. To me, the pencil creates, no, like more hair-like strokes, where the pomade just like lays it down.
Well, one's more natural, the other one's more artificial.
Right.
What?
So I'm just gonna put hair-like strokes at the front of my brows, just to create that more natural look. And then fill in the gaps too. Okay. And this is a part of my process. Ha ha ha. Say, how are you? Why do you keep hitting me in my chin? Oh my gosh. Wow, you're really showing out because the camera's on you. Bye guys. Kiss kiss. Now I'm going to just shape up my eyebrows using the Juvia's Place concealer. Now I'm just going to use a fluffy brush by Real Techniques. Just make sure that that's blended in. Okay, now I'm just taking my P. Louise base in Rumor 0.5 so I can get started on the eyes.
Weighing in at Roman 0.5 pounds.
What? You are loving this, aren't you? So I love putting this white base. It's like my primary lid base, and then like how the concealer for my natural shade is like blended in with it. It just, I don't know, it just makes everything look really natural. It still pops, so I really love this. Okay, so I'm going to go into the Jackie Aina palette today, and today I'm going to use the Profusion brush from the Brush Vault, their Brush Vault. And this is just a blending brush. So I'm going to go in with this brush using ginger. Just put that all on my crease. And now I'm going to bring Supreme slightly above that. Then I'm going to go into the e.l.f. palette and use Saucy, which is like this mustardy kind of, I don't know. Oops. Now I'm gonna go into big wig and just pack that all in. What are you doing, Joshua? I really love how this whole palette, like, you can just build and just build and build and build, and it just gets better and better. Like, these colors pop so great. And I think I'm gonna go in with one more color. I think I'm gonna go in with Cheeky because I kind of want like an orangey pop. So Cheeky, yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. And then I just want to darken it up just a little bit more, so I'm going to put in Credits. And now I'm just going to use a P. Louise base to create like a halo right in the center of my eyelid. What's the problem? You can't be the star of the show every time. Every time. It never fails. Is there something you want to say? What do you want to say? That was it. You had a joke. He sees himself in the mirror.
A.
A, B, C.
E.
E. You forgot D. Oh my gosh. Why do you like my face so much? Can mommy finish now? Oh, he's giving me a pat on the back. Okay, thank you. So I'm just gonna work backwards, put that big wig on, and then put some of Credit like on the outer parts of it as well. But just wanted to blur in.
Go put it back. Are you still watching? Of course we still watching. It's Netflix. We getting all of our money's worth from y'all.
Shut up. I'm gonna take the Profusion 20th anniversary glitter palette. Let's go into Cheers. I'm sorry, y'all. I have not been telling y'all the brushes, but this is a Morphe M421 brush.
Stop taking the straw out.
That is pretty together. Oh, that is so pretty. And then I am gonna go back into Saucy.
Take that out your mouth.
Oh yeah, just adds like another depth layer. So now I'm gonna go into my CoverGirl liquid liner. This is in the shade 325. It's just a black, you know, regular. I'm not even gonna do like a big wing. I think I'm just gonna stick to something small. Yes, y'all can see what I'm doing. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. What did you eat the rest of your banana? Huh? Where's your banana? Yeah. Ask Daddy. Say, Daddy, can you give me my banana?
Come here, JJ.
And I'm gonna take my physician's formula and my skin therapy from Palmer's is almost gone. Really need to restock on some stuff. And honestly, y'all, there's a reason why I've been sticking to this to moisturize my face. It really helps like keep everything under control. Like I know every now and then I have breakouts because I don't know, I just your skin changes for the season, but when it's breaking out and stuff, if I haven't put this on, it like gets worse. We're gonna go with Smashbox for the original photo finish primer. Just because I haven't used this in like so long, but it gets the job done too. Like it protects your skin. And then what I like to do is go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I'll just put that all over my face before I do anything else, just to like have some control. Now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place foundation stick, and of course use that same concealer.
So I'm about to take my nap, Mommy.
You taking your nap? Bye-bye. I see you when you wake up. Love you. Bye-bye. And I'm going to use Profusion's foundation brush as well. You guys hear that? It's getting quiet. This is the time where I thrive. Joshua J does pretty well at like not getting too into my makeup products and stuff, because to them it's just like, oh, art, yay, or not even art to them, like, ooh, something I can put my hands on. And so he's not as bad because I see other people's kids, I hear what other people say about their kids, and JJ is never like on their level. Really like using brushes as of lately, but I do like how the beauty blenders, beauty brushes, beauty sponges and beauty blenders actually make it look smooth, if that makes any sense. This is e.l.f.'s beauty sponge. I'm not really sure the exact name, but I know it's from e.l.f. and I love their sponges. It's just been doing so many wonders, so many great things for enhancing my makeup as of lately. So I really love this sponge. I'm gonna go back and use my oldie but goodie Flesh foundation stick, and it's in the shade 34 or pecan, wherever you're from. Yeah, I have not used this in months, and I've really been sticking to Makeup Revolutions, but I also just need to try new ones. And I'm using Profusion's contouring brush. Already, I can tell I'm gonna be using these brushes. I'm just put the rest of them down. Don't use them for like months and be like, oh, I have other brushes I could be using. So I'm gonna use Beauty Bakery's flour setting powder, and I'm just putting it on the highlighted point, so underneath my eyes and a little bit on my forehead and even under my nose and a little on my chin. And then I'm going to try to contour my nose a little bit more. And so now I'm going to take Profusion's smudge brush, and I'm going to do something a little bit different as far as like underneath my eye. I think I'm going to go in with Wiggly's. I'm going to try to make my lower lash line just pop just a little bit more. You know, it's for the holidays, and why not? I'm gonna take my CoverGirl, you already know, just the brown CoverGirl matte lipstick, and my L'Oreal Paris Infallible matte liquid lipstick.
I was raised in that Lone Star State where we go hard, can't do it small at all, cause big things are stake. My dreams as a buck was to make a large bank. Daddy told me be the best, no one can tell me I can't. Be the best bowler or be the best.
Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I really appreciate you guys being with me on today. You heard all the fun and exciting noises. You got to see JJ. You heard the things that my husband was saying. And I really enjoyed it. So thank you guys for sticking with me through this whole entire thing. And if you have not subscribed all the way to this point, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And if you absolutely love me, love my content, and just want to support, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.